Yeah, they decided to join us for our trip. Look, go for us, Mum. Quick, they're coming!
Yeah.
This bird looks really funny. Say throw a bit for it. Go.
It's ready for a strike. Do you reckon it will eat out of my hand?
Might. Look at its feet.
Ah, wait. Oh, morning.
Spoken. What's behind me?
No.
Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Who's a pretty boy?
What are you doing? Oh, you
Oh.
scared it.
Look, see the gold, look. Beautiful,
Look, I have one, look. There you go. Look, saying get them to come over here. Oh my gosh, you see some ducks in there. Hello. Hello. Oh no. It's over the couch.
It's really slippery.
Have we picked that bit? No, we haven't.
Just waiting.
Oh, it picked him!
Well, feed them then. Come on. He's a good boy.
Can I have him?
When he gets down to you don't peck your eye.
Wait. He can't. Just wait, can he? Look. He's hungry. Tip some on your skirt. Oh my gosh.
Does it have
Mum, I don't want the peacock next
Does it
to
have
me.
any more?
Just bit.
It's really big. Mum.
Stand up then.
Can you hold this back?
It's rubbish
Go
now.
on, tip it on your lap. Your finger.
Alright, thanks.
There's a duck behind you. Oh. Wait, let's see if he flies up.
Come on then.
Right, let him go to the packet.
Look, he's slipping. Oh, try get him out.
He'll fly.
I want it.
Oh. Look, they really wobble. Oh no, not two. Not you as well. So you can't keep him.
You put it in up your dress.
No. His claws are stabbing into my arm.
Good to hold on.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.